Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brolin. So today I'm going to talk about how people involved in network marketing makes their money, because I've come to realize that most people get to confuse between sales and marketing and network marketing, when actually there are two different things. But specifically for this video, I'm going to talk about how do people make their commission when it comes to network marketing. But you need to understand that network marketing is actually a business that involves the moving of products from the point of production to consumption using an organization. So in that case, people involved with network marketing make their money in two ways. Way number one is through sales, and way number two is through recruiting other people into network marketing. But when I talk about sales, for example, in my company, when our CEO or the founder of our company was coming up with this company, he knew very well in mind that there are other existing companies that people are given targets, or people are given limits when it comes to selling of products. So what did he do? He came up with a formula that instead of having people being forced or being given targets to make products or to sell products, why should I come with a system that people will have something called no quotas? So for example, in my company, there is something called no quotas, meaning that when you are in that company, no one is going to give you targets, no one is going to give you a limit, or no one is going to force you to sell the product. But however, if you are good in selling the product, the profits you make, you're not going to take back them to the company, or no one is going to ask you that you made this kind of sale, or you made this kind of, you sell this kind of volume, so we need this profit back to us. No, the profit is yours. So that is one way people in network marketing make their money, from sales. And how about if you're not good at selling, but you want to join a network marketing company? The second way will be this business. From the word network marketing, actually can also define it as a business of word to word or mouth to mouth. What do I mean by that? That when you get involved with network marketing, your role is very simple. You just need to share this business to other people. But the good thing is you are given the skills, or you are trained on how to share the business, because remember, we all relate to different people, maybe from our workplaces, from our homes, along different locations. So you need to understand, how do I share this business from this kind of group compared to this other kind of people? So all those things, when you come to learn about them, then the people who are going to join your business, there is a commission you are going to earn from different package. For example, when I'm talking about package, I mean, like in my company, we have different packages people join with. So from each package, there is a commission you are going to earn. So when you combine the two, selling and recruiting other people, that is when you are going to do what? To make the money. Because there are those who are good in selling, and there are those who are good in recruiting. However, you can either do one of them or do the two of them. So whichever way that suits you, or you are interested with, you are going still to make money. So if you have any question about network marketing, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Leave a question in the comment section. Also, my contact information is in the description section. See you in the next video.